Okay, so you have your books and your articles, you've read them front to back, you know this stuff cold, and you're going to nail that test, right? Well, maybe you don't know it as well as you think you do. You've read everything, but what happened? Somehow when you were reading, you didn't retain that information very well. But don't worry, because there's a way that you could do that by just following 4 simple steps. It's the SQRW method, and it can really help if you put it into use. So what do these crazy letters stand for anyway? Well, it's really easy. Survey, question, read, and write. Let's start with the first component, survey. You have your document in front of you, and the first thing you want to do is just survey the main components, the pieces that you're going to look at. This is a journal article, so it's pretty straightforward. Start with the title. It will give you an idea of the subject and the particular direction the author wants to go with that subject. Next, take a look at the introduction. Just skim through it. If you have a journal article like this, the abstract is also helpful. Get the basic idea of where this article is planning to go. Then look at the headings. This will give you the main ideas it's going to cover. And finally, skim through the conclusion to see where they ended up. And then go back and read it all carefully. And as you're reading, you're going to do the second part of this process, which is question. Keep in mind all those journalistic questions that help us explore what we're looking at. Where, what, when, who, why, how. These are the things you want to know. And then read and find the answers to those questions. But don't forget, be an active reader. Keep a pencil and paper nearby and write down those answers that you find and any other important information. And that's really all there is to it. Survey, question, read, and write.